Okay, if here going on Ajan, but at the same time, foxes are making sounds. You see, and over there, and low obscure, but you see, over there, two foxes running. Okay, and they can run with very speed, and they are going to the west. Okay, you see. Every day I usually experience this type of scenario while is taking place here, because there are many foxes, and always they try to make sounds, always they try to uh, kill our domestic animals, and also usually they steal our domestic animals, kills our domestic animals. Okay, and looks obscure right now. However, there are many foxes, and living over there, you see catkin, and you see rats, you see and this type of rats, and these catkins, and this looking, you see jungle, right? Foxes, and another type of animal or precious animal like cat. But even I don't know the English name of the but I know Bengali language khatash. We usually call khatash, but I don't know name of English. Whatever. And yeah, you see, and okay, over there, and they are running, and dense jungle usually where and they live usually, and also you see. However, uh, every day I experience this type of scenario, and for this reason, just I'm sharing with you and what I experience right now. The day Eid-Ul-Fitr, I think so, and you were enjoying, and you have already enjoyed the Eid-Ul-Fitr with your relatives, with your friends, with your beloved or loved ones, and also keep your response or keep your kind response to my channel. And I think so, always try to make comments or make critiques. However, today I have to end up right now. Very soon, I will see you and with a tutorial video. Thank you so much. Best wishes for you.